Experiencing issues with your Facebook posts not showing up on your timeline? You're not alone. This is one of the most common frustrations users face on the platform today. Facebook's algorithms and privacy settings can significantly impact what your friends and followers actually see. Your post might exist, but it may not appear on timelines as expected. Recent algorithm updates have fundamentally changed how Facebook displays content. Instead of showing posts in chronological order, Facebook now prioritizes meaningful interactions over when something was posted. Facebook's AI-powered content moderation systems now pre-screen posts before they appear on timelines. This automated process can cause temporary delays or even prevent posts from appearing entirely if the AI flags potential issues. Following regulatory pressures, Facebook has tightened default privacy settings. This means your posts might be less visible by default, reaching fewer people than before, unless you actively adjust your settings. Shadow banning is another concern, where your posts receive significantly reduced reach without any notification. Additionally, discrepancies between mobile and desktop views can occur due to different rendering algorithms used on each platform. To ensure your posts are seen, it's crucial to understand how these elements work together. Each factor influences the others, creating a complex system that determines whether your content reaches your intended audience. The first step in troubleshooting Facebook post visibility issues is checking your privacy settings. Both your account-level settings and individual post settings can affect who sees your content. When posting, you have several privacy options available. You can choose from public, friends, friends except specific people, specific friends only me, or create a custom audience. Make sure you're selecting the right audience for your intended visibility. Check your timeline review settings to ensure they're not blocking your posts from appearing. Timeline review requires approval for posts to show up, which can cause delays or prevent visibility entirely. Clearing your mobile app's cache can resolve a significant percentage of visibility issues. Cache problems often cause posts to not display properly or appear delayed on your timeline. Keep your Facebook app updated to avoid display bugs and compatibility issues. Outdated versions often have problems showing posts correctly on your timeline. For long-term success, optimize your posting schedule for when your audience is most active. Diversify your content with a mix of text, images, and videos. Focus on building community through meaningful interactions rather than just broadcasting messages. If problems persist, test your post visibility across different platforms and browsers. Ask friends to confirm if they can see your posts. Regular monthly audits of your privacy and visibility settings can prevent future issues.